Ah, they're chasing. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll just have a short, like a quick, just show you a quick footage of this area here. So short video. And I hope you'll enjoy this one. Oh my god, they're flying. Sunset. It's Little Lake. The water here is really nice. So look at them. Look at these two duckies. Oh, three of them. Yay. Hello, duckies. I don't have food. Why are you coming to me? Oh, people are probably feeding them here because they're coming to me. I don't have food. Sorry, ducky. I don't have food. Yeah, sorry. Don't worry. I'm not gonna do anything to you, but I don't have food with me. So, look at this one. They're all out in the water now. So I used to come here like in the morning. What's going on? Why are they flying? Hold on, let me flip it. They're very active. Look at them. I don't know, I enjoy watching these birds, so there's so many ducks here. They're actually like, well, I'm not sure what's the name of this. Faller something. Those are ducks. They're not geese. The geese are those, the big one. You hear them? That's the ducks. body of water, but there's a lot of things going on. I love watching these dogs. I just love them. I mean, I enjoy watching dogs swimming. Look at that. It's so cool to watch them. I can watch them all day, promise you. So lovely. They're enjoying the water. Come on, come on, come on. Coming up. Where are they going? Amazing creatures. They're chasing. They're gonna move. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. I love it, duckies. Oh, thank you for that show. You see? It's fun to watch them. It's really fun to watch them. I'm entertained. Cool. So many dogs. Alright, guys. Okay, so that would be it about the ducks. So, but please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so next time I upload a new video, you'll be able to watch it. See you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye. Bye, duckies. before I totally end this video, I just want to make a special shout out to some viewers who keep coming back and watching the videos I upload. Thank you so much, guys, for your support, for showing your support by watching the videos I upload. I really appreciate it. And yeah, for those that I wasn't able to include, maybe next time I can't put everybody, but yeah, maybe next time I can put you up too. So thank you so much, guys, for your support, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you, thank you.